Hi everyone. Today is day 5. We are building another project today, which is a deep research agent, which will research on a given topic and send you an email. Very interesting thing that we are gonna do today is package all of that in a UI. So we'll be using Gradio for that, and I'll be showing a quick demo for that right now. So let's jump to the code. The code is now live on GitHub. I will share the link in description as well as in comments. So this covers all the things that this agent or this whole project does. So a multi-agent pipeline that takes a research query, autonomously plans and execute web searches, synthesizes finding into a detailed report and deliver it via email. All of this orchestrated through the OpenAI Agent SDK. Now, what are the tech stack that we have? We have OpenAI Agents SDK. We are using Pydantic. We'll get to know why we are using Pydantic. We are using Gradio. Gradio is the layer through which we build the UI part of it. SendGrid, we know it is used for sending the email. Rest of the thing we already know and discuss. Once the user gives a query, it goes to the research manager. Research manager is the one who's going to orchestrate the whole pipeline. First, it goes to planner agent. In planner agent, the agent will find out 5 variation of the user query. It will be stored in web search item. It's a object. This object is going to pass to search agent. Search agent is the one who use a tool, OpenAI predefined tool called as web search tool, which is basically searching the web based on the 5 queries that it received from the planner agent. Now here again, we will pass a list, which is list of summaries for all the web result, which is raw web result. Writer is the one who is gonna summarize and output a report, and it's gonna pass this down in report.markdown. We have email agent, which is nothing but an agent to send the markdown file to the user. We have a very simple folder structure here. So we have deep research.py. This is the core one. Remember, now we are not using Jupyter Notebook. These are the set of different agents that we have created to run this whole code. You can go and read, of course, step by step flow, what is happening and all and everything. But what I want to talk about is this JSON to Pydantic. Now we are using Python here, but whenever LLM sends back a response to the query, it sends back in JSON. So everything is in the backend is happening. However, when we use the Pydantic model, what we are trying to do essentially is convert that JSON to Pydantic so that data validation, passing the data and querying the data is easy. So if you see why I have added one section also why we are using Pydantic, there are like 4 or 5 core reasons. First and foremost is LLM output is raw string. It's gonna be bunch of strings or JSON. So we cannot guarantee. We don't know what kind of response the LLM is gonna give and how we're gonna pass that. So Pydantic essentially enforces a schema validation, and any invalid JSON raises a validation error. Another thing is accessing result in this format use without Pydantic is difficult, but once it's converted to Pydantic, it's relatively easy. Another very interesting thing is passing raw dicts between agents. We are of course passing different data between agents. Increases the pass structure data, the error rate decrease because now it is more of a deterministic system that is getting passed on. In the demo, I'm asking this how to gain 6 pack apps. I'm also trying, but yeah. So I run this, and one thing that we have added is view trace. Now it has given us the now in the report we do get a comprehensive guide to achieving 6 pack apps. So it has like bunch of information and everything, and we have trace also. So started off with planner agent, search agent, search agent, search agent, search agent. So these are the 5 things that is passed. Then we have writer agent also that wrote this report, and finally we have the email agent which sent the email. So this was also successful. So yeah, this was day 5. This whole week we covered basics of OpenAI SDK, built 2 projects, both of which are live on GitHub, and we'll be starting with Crew AI tomorrow.